zkGM everyone! My name is Milica and I'm Developer Relations Engineer for zkVerify and a PhD candidate in zero-knowledge proofs. So what do we do at zkVerify? We verify proofs, zero-knowledge proofs. Some of the proofs we support are Groth16, SP1, Plonky2, Noir Ultra-Plonk, F-Long, and RISC-0. So today we're going to go through proof generation and proof verification using zkVerifyJS library. Let's go! So the first thing we need to visit is zkVerify.io page. Here let's go to Docs, Getting Started, Verifying Proofs of zkVerifyJS. But before that, we need an example of the proof that we're going to provide here for this tutorial so that we can successfully verify it with zkVerifyJS. So let's start. Let's go with Groth16. Then we're going to go to zkREPL, and there we're going to use this example along with the input. And we need to run it so that we have components for zero-knowledge proof. Going to run it with Shift-Enter. We're going to use Groth16 as this example. We need a main Groth16 VK and also artifacts from this web page. Generate proof. This data here, it's going to be saved in proof.json, and these are public inputs going to be saved under public.json. Here we are on the page verifying proofs with zkVerifyJS. And first thing we need to check is actually do we have the latest version of Node.js. Great, so we do have the latest stable version, and let's make a new directory where we're going to store our project and verify zkProofs. Let's create a new folder. And we're going to initialize an npm project. This step is going to install zkVerifyJS and .env. Super cool. So we're going to open our IDE and find our project there. Let's go. And here is our project. Next thing we want to do is create .env file to store our seed phrase. Let's do that. Now that we have seed phrase stored in .env file, we're going to create a new file, index.js, to store the logic and the heart of verification of zero-knowledge proofs. Since we used circum, follow that example. So now that we had created our index.js file, we're going to import the necessary modules from zkVerifyJS library. Let's do that. To be able to get proof verification info, we're going to open a session, instantiate the session with zkVerify. And it should be a wallet that has enough of test verify tokens. And you can find faucet and resources in documentation. if you need it. Once we had opened the session, we're going to send a proof verification request to our testnet. And this is how to do that. So after we had opened the session, we'll send verification request to our test network, and it will include data as proof type, proving schema, proof, public signals, and the key. So let's do that. In order to obtain a verification result, we'll set up a listener to the event. So let's do that too. So because we used Groth16 as proving system, we're going to need the data that we had produced using zkREPL.dev. If we remember what it was proof.json, public.json, and the vk that was produced. So let's set up data within it, proof.json, within it, public.json, vk. So this is our vk. Next thing, we'll take proof.json and public.json. So let's go here. So this is our proof. Make sure you save it. Public inputs. Now we can run the script using node index.js command. Let's run our script with node index.js command. Here we can check our transaction using this transaction hash here on Subscan Explorer. Let's do that. Go to resources, go to zkVerify block explorer. We can search by extrinsic transaction hash. And here we are. Our proof is verified. For more details about zkVerify, visit our docs.zkVerify.io, and also make sure to join our Discord channel as well as Telegram channel where we are actively supporting developers in their requests. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.